Okay, so first people were saying that Kim Kardashian had her BBL reversed, or maybe she had liposuction, but basically that her butt didn't look as big as it used to. And now people are thinking that Khloé might have done the same thing. Just want them more talent and less clout. I fall back and just give them some space. Cause when you already won, what the fuck is a race? Look at the fucking for raps. What a disgrace. Here was Khloé's before. And
the craziest thing about this to me is like the amount of wealth it takes for them to have set the BBL trend to the point where like so many young girls are like probably using all their savings to get this BBL. And then as soon as the whole world is onto it, they go, psych, what are you broke bitches gonna do now? That is the craziest thing. They just took it away and the trend is over. When the Kardashians take out their BBLs, it means too many people have BBLs now. So we're done. The trend is over. And like they just have the money to, you know, do that. I think, and that is again kind of what I'm saying when I'm saying just be careful when you're making your body a trend, because the people that the kind of lifestyle you're trying to live, you most likely do not have the funds to sustain, because they have the money to treat their bodies like trends. Do you actually though? Because when you really invest in something that you think you're gonna like for your whole life, but it turns out it's just a trend, what are you gonna do now?
Yo. I'm here to ask 73 questions. I'm ready.
Babe, this is for me.
Oh.
The kids are in the room.
Hey, Shorty.
Hi. I
What
can't
is that
really.
mug on your
can't
face?
talk because I had my whole face numbed. I literally don't know what to do.
Hold on.
No.
You went to the dentist?
Yes. It's not nice. Stop. Well, you can't show anyone that. I look like I'm dying.
Kourtney, this is definitely going to be used at some point in life.
That is so insane.